Tech tutorial. Now I am going to show how to install Lollipop on your Samsung Galaxy S3 LTE S7275B. You can see here, you can see that the model number is S7275B. You need the following things which placed in descriptions down below: Odin, CM12, ROM, Clockwork Mode and GApps, which is placed in descriptions. First you need to flash Clockwork Recovery on your mobile. Now I am going to show how to flash Clockwork Mode on your S3 LTE. You need to flash Clockwork Mode on by placing your mobile at download mode, by pressing volume down button, power key and home key. These are all at the same time we must press. Now you will be shown your mobile at the download mode. Just here you can see that. You need to copy your Cyanogen Mode 12, Clockwork Mode and GApps into your SD card. Here you can see that now it will be copying on your SD card. Just you need to copy your Cyanogen Mode 12, ROM and GApps on your SD card. We will flash ROM through zip. After copying your files, you need to charge your mobile battery up to 80% and your mobile must have been rooted. Now I copy the files in my SD card root folder. So after that you need to place your mobile at download mode by pressing volume down button, home key and power button. Both are at the same time. Here you can see volume down button, home key and power button. Both are at the same time to place your mobile at download mode. Here you can see that your mobile will be placed in download mode. Press volume up to continue. Here you can see that. Because you need to flash custom recovery on your device. Just place it at and connect your USB. And here you can see that in Odin you can see that COM6. Just you need to check auto reboot and f. reset time and place your recovery at PDA. Here you can see that .rmd5 files. You need to place your recovery in PDA and it will be must check. Now click on start. Here you can see it will be flashing now. Recovery will be flashed on your Samsung Galaxy S3 S7275B and it will be restarting. Here you can see that we have successfully flashed Clockwork Mode on your Samsung Galaxy S3 LTE. In Odin, the checkbox will show we have paused. So you need to place your mobile at recovery by pressing volume up button, home key and power button. Both are at the same time. Now here you can see that. Here you can see that your mobile will be placed at custom recovery. Just you need to press volume up button, home key and power key. Both are at the same time. Just we need to flash custom ROM CM12 by through install zip. First you need to wipe factory data reset, wipe all user data, here your data now is been wiping. Wipe data has been completed. Just you need to wipe cache partition also. Yes. Cache wipe has been completed. After that we need to flash from install zip option. Just place install to zip. To choose zip from SD card, then click power button and find CM12 unofficial like that things.zip and click power button, and yes, install CyanogenMod 12 and hit power button. Here you can see that your mobile is now flashing CyanogenMod 12 Lollipop on your Samsung Galaxy S3 LTE. Just see the following. Here we can see that install from SD card has been completed. Just you need to reboot your mobile. Click on reboot system now, and here you can see that yes, fix root / system xbin.su and hit power button. Now your mobile will be rebooting. Here you can see that CyanogenMod booting on your Samsung Galaxy S3 LTE S775B. It will take much time to complete it for first time booting. Before flashing ROM on your device, you must backup your data, and then after you clear, wipe and install zip. Now here you can see that your mobile will be booted. Now here you can see that we successfully installed CyanogenMod on your device S3 LTE. Just click on it and about device. Now here you can see that it will Android version 5.0.2. It will be updated ROM. It will having a lot of fixes like audio effects and full stack camera working. And video also working in this. After that we need to flash GApps through recovery. Place your mobile at recovery by pressing volume up, home key and power button at the same times. Oh, we successfully flashed. After that we need to flash GApps. Just place your mobile at recovery. Here you can see that your mobile will be placed at recovery. Now flash G apps through install zip and select choose zip from SD card and place PAG apps micro 5.0 alpha 1 which is placed in description down below. Now click yes, install PAG apps. Now it will be installing on your device. Oh, you can see that install from SD card has been completed. Reboot your system after that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it to everyone. Thanks for watching.